beside me. It's a two-seater, yo can't rock.
Hey girls, it's Armani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collaboration with DSoar hair. The hair care instructions are on the back of the box, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing and then go on to the wig construction. This wig came with a free pair of mink eyelashes and a beauty blender. Here's a back view of this unit. The hair was super soft. I'm going to be doing an updated video with this wig, so if you have any suggestions, just leave it in the comment section below. The wig was just as pictured on the website, so it will not come to you as a surprise. The wefts were sewn together very close, and I like that because this makes the wig fuller and it was nice and thick. So onto the lace, it was pre-plucked. It came with baby hairs and the color of my lace was light brown. And when I say pre-plucked, I actually mean pre-plucked. I did not have to go in with the tweezers and do any tweaking. It came perfect. And as you can see, there was a great amount of parting space, and I really like that about this wig. Here's a quick close-up. The baby hairs were a little bit long on this wig. I actually did not cut them, I just slicked them back. I'm not really a fan of baby hair, so it wasn't much of a problem for me to just swoop it back with a little bit of got-to-be. To the cap construction. Like I said, there was a great amount of parting space. The wig came with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig. I used the stocking cap method. I did not film that portion, but I do have a video dedicated on how I do the stocking cap method, and the link will be in the description box below. The origin of this hair is Malaysian. The curl type is Jerry curly. The inch is 22 inches and the density is 130. If you want a fuller density, I would go for 150, but I like the density 130 with this wig because, like I said, the tracks were sewn close together, so I didn't have really much of a problem with the thickness. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'm only using one product to do so, and it's the Camille Rose Naturals Lavender Hair Spritzer. I'm gonna spray a generous amount onto this wig, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. So far, this is one of my favorite units. I really do like this hair a lot. It was super soft and I was in love with the curl pattern. I didn't really have to do too much to it. I just wanted to add a little bit of this spritzer to, you know, separate the curls and give it a wet look. I'm gonna let my hair air dry after I apply this product, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. Honestly, the number one thing I look for in a wig is an easy hairline. I like wigs that are easy to apply and they don't take much to make the hairline look realistic. And I really did like that about this wig. The part was very natural. I didn't have to go in and do any plucking. I didn't have to add any foundation, so I was in love. So this is my hair after it completely air dried. The curl pattern is absolutely beautiful, and that's pretty much it for this video. The wig application was super easy. The curl pattern was just as pictured on the website. All hair details will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any new video suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment section.